Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to change your computer password if you forgot your old password. You generally do this from your user account in control panel. How? For that you have to go to the control panel, then click on the user account, and this is the user account where you want to set your new password. But here you need to type your old password, then only you will be able to set your new password. Isn't it? But there is a procedure where you can set your new password without knowing your old password. Let's see how we will do this. For that, in search type cmd. Cmd is command prompt, and here right click on the command prompt and click on the run as administrator. Administrator command prompt will open. Then you have to write net space user USUR and hit enter. Here you can see there is the user account in my computer. Here is a user account name user where I want to set my new password. So once again type net space user USUR user, then space, then write down the username user1, then space, then set the new password what you want to create. Suppose I am creating my password 1234. Type 1234 and hit enter. Then you can see the command complete successfully. That means your password has been created. And then close this window, and the next time when you go to your user account, this is user 1, here you need to type your password to enter this account. So this is how you can set your new password without knowing your old password. So that's it. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you like our content. Thank you and see you in our next video.